welcome. My name is Rajiv, working as a senior solution architect in Royal Cyber from past 5 years, and I am joined with Shishi, Shalva, and Sheikh. Could you introduce yourself, please?
Yeah, hi Rajiv. Hello everyone. My name is Selva. I work as a senior solution architect at Royal Cyber for past 3 years.
Hi everyone, my name is Sheikh Abdul. I'm working as a senior solution architect in Royal Server for past 5 years.
Hello everyone, this is Sasi. I'm working as a senior solution architect in Royal Cyber for the last 2 years.
So, welcome to our topic. Today's topic. Nowadays, customers are facing a lot of challenges when they are using the search module. So, relevant search results are the key drivers for a successful online experience with higher conversions, and it starts building a robust search engine or a module. So if search results are not consistently lacking, it's crucial to examine the search functionality. So in our implementations, actually we have faced serious search challenges like products are missing or maybe products does not match what the end customers are expecting, and also the products which are displayed also not resemble as per the expectations of the customers. So, Selva, would you tell us about what are the challenges you encountered in your project implementation?
Yes, Rajiv. I think as you mentioned, the search is a main backbone, right, in any commerce application. Like it allows the customers to search and go to a particular product. So in today's world, I think getting to the product is a one thing. Also, the business needs to promote certain products. They need to boost certain categories. Those are the main requirements that I feel from the client side. Also, the search results needs to be personalized for an individual customer, right? Like personalized search results, the recommendations. All those I feel it's a main for the search engine in today's world.
Okay. So, Sheikh, do you have any other challenges which you encountered?
Yeah, that is the drawback, right? I mean, what Silva was highlighting today, when customer does the search, it is not relevant search, right? So based on the customer's previous search history, the search suggestions are not being provided, and based on the customer's purchase order history, the products are not recommended, right? So these are the drawbacks in the current system. So for that only, I mean, we need to have a better search engine which is capable of, tracking the customer's behavior and providing the search results and the product recommendations, all relevant either based on the customer's order history or the way customer searches the product.
Okay. So, Shishi, do you have any other pointers where your customers are facing those challenges?
Yes, Rajiv, especially the customers, many customers used to encounter the issue because of wrong products being displayed. The main issue could be the customer would be key in some of the keywords here, like I'm looking for product, this type of product and kind of stuff. So system what used to do when the customer enters more than one or two keywords, system used to find the unrelevant product and start displaying. So in these cases, if we start using the personalization along with the AI-based search, so that system will detect, okay, so these are the three keywords, what has some more weightage, and based on the user details, say like a personalization, okay, this kind of person, and if the product started displaying, that would increase to more conversation.
Okay. So, basically, what we are discussing is most of the customers nowadays they are facing the products which are search results which are not returning the relevancy as well as
Yeah.
what are based on their previous customer search or customer purchases basically,
Yeah.
and also there is no segmentation things and all related. So it's good. And how we can improve to meet the customer challenges, just to resolve the customer challenges?
Okay.
Yeah,
We have
go ahead, Sisi.
Okay, we have a lot of third-party search engines like AI-based, as I said. So that could take all the transaction, whatever transaction means, what is the user is really doing in the website. Say like maybe for example, user might have searched for a TV, and now the user is searching for Sony TV. And then if he is searching for LED TV, maybe based on the keywords and how the user is utilizing the system, the AI systems can capture certain factors and start suggesting the more and more relevant product that will engage the user to relevant brand where he showed the interest, that will ultimately convert to the more conversation.
So basically, we need to enable the AI-based analytics data
Yeah,
to capture
yeah,
the previous
right.
history, and then we can search for. Okay. Yeah. And any others improvements or any other search engines we can use, or any we have used in our project?
Yeah, there are multiple search engines that is available in the market, right? For example, Bloomreach, Cobio, those are the search engines which provides AI-based analytics, AI-based features, as well as the more product, product with respect to customer recommendation, right? Covio, Bloomreach, Algolia, those are examples
Yeah.
where, yeah,
So we have already implemented the Covio as well as Bloomreach in a couple of our projects, correct? So what was the experience while implementing the Bloomreach, Selva?
Yeah. Yeah, actually, what I would suggest is all the latest search engine have all the capabilities. Also, one point I would bring up is how we integrate the Bloomreach, right? Bloomreach or Covio, because all are search engine, but they will behave based on the data we provide from our website. Say a customer is searching or adding to cart or checking out. All those details needs to be captured. So all those events needs to be fed to the search engine for the recommendation engine to work. So it is like you are teaching that search engine how to behave, right? So
Yeah.
the clients who are building the search engine, they need to make sure they integrate correctly and provide the necessary events to the search engine. So that will allow the search engine to work better.
Yeah. So nowadays, I think most of the search engines are enabled with the AI-based research and all. So using our analytic data, that AI has to be tweaked and it's to be fine-tuned to get our results. Okay. And what are the different ways we can integrate these search engines with our existing e-commerce applications?
yeah. So what I would, based on my experience, right, uh, I would differentiate as a three-step process. One is first you need to start sending the analytical data, right? So that is the first step you have to do, so that whatever the search engine, it has a time to gather all the data, right? So all the customers' analytical data, events. So first phase is analytical data. We need to send the events. Second phase is send the product catalog, and the third phase is actual API search API integration. So we have to split in the three phases. The first two phases should not have any impact to the existing application, right? So we have to make the BAU also to go like today, right? So it should not have any impact to the current BAU. So you do the first and second phase, and the last phase is the API integration to integrate your search, auto suggestions, product recommendation, all those features.
Okay, but basically each search engine has its own learning time. Means like whatever the analytics we are integrating for a search based and also each search engine has its own learning time, correct? So most of the Bloomreach, I would say it's like almost 30 days or 45 days you can have, and
Correct.
maybe even
Correct.
Covio you can have that 15 days. Yeah, that's
I
correct.
think they
Mm,
should have minimum 60 or 60 days to have data to start returning the responses. Yeah.
yeah, based on that learnings, you can just enable. What are the other features we can enable based on these learnings?
I think in the Bloomreach, we have the thematic pages. Say, example, you search in a Google, like I want a black T-shirt. So automatically it
Mm.
will create you a link. The link is not available in the actual website, but it will create you a link like a black T-shirt. So when you click on that, it will load all the black T-shirts for you. So that one feature which helps like on a runtime on a dynamic basis, you can create a page based on a particular theme. So those features can be useful.
Okay, so like just yes, I see. Just you're telling that we have worked on any promotions or anything that also we can enable via all these the AI search based analytics one. No?
Right. So especially if we take this Unbox is one of the third party which we have integrated for one of our customer, which is also works on the same pattern. First, we used to collect all the analytics, whatever the user is doing in the mobile app or in the browser. All these informations are collected and maintained in their side. And after the learning period is done, the system will use that to recommend some of the products. For example, you might be trying to buy a product ABC. So based on the history, there could be a number of accessories which are very, very important or well matched with this product. So maybe a new customer might forget to buy some of the essential accessories. So what system is trying to do now, whenever you come to product ABC, it will say, okay, so most of the customer who brought this product ABC brought these accessories as well. It will start showing some of the important and more relevant accessories product along with the product ABC. So that will help the new user or upcoming user to add those products as well. And maybe with that one, we can club with a promotion as well. Say like if you take this product ABC and the product XYZ, you will get this type of discount. So that is going to make more sales over the site. So it will be a more clubbed package kind of stuff that is going to even boost more sales instead of just a few product. You are on
Okay,
mute, Rajay.
yeah. So which features are most valuable in these search challenges actually? When we are just discussing about the search.
Especially the left side facets, that is a very, very key. For example, any e-commerce site, as soon as the user comes in and start entering keyword, it may be fall under category A, category B, or different prices or different colors, whatever may be. There could be a number of options. So especially the left side facet, I would say it is a more relevant and very essential one, so that using which user can refine the product and go and find what exactly he is looking for. So that is one of the key thing. And nowadays people are even looking for slider kind of options instead of say the product should be between 500 and 1000 to 2000. They are looking for even more fine grained options so that based on my budget I can just optimize it the range and I can collect the look for the product within that range, and especially the rating. So nowadays for sure we need to have the rating as well in case if you are collecting the product rating, that also come in the rating option. So that will say like these products are top rated product so that the seller can have enough stock for that product so that that will be keep on moving in the site.
Okay, so basically what you you are telling is it depends on the customer segmentation as well as the whatever
Yeah.
the AI based analytics which we have collected, and we need to create a facets relevant to that customer segment, and then we can provide the details. That's good. And how these search engines are just try to solve our customer challenges for the search.
Yeah, I think the latest Gen AI feature, right? Say, example, you are hosting a website, e-commerce website. A customer comes, he asks a question like, "I want to host a birthday party. What are the things I need to buy?" So it's like a generic question, right? So your Gen AI understands the questions and recommends what are the products he can buy. So he can just list out all the things, whatever needed for a birthday party. So it makes the life of customer easier. So you don't need to search each and every product, then go add it to cart. So he can do a single search for a particular
Mm.
occasion. It will recommend all the products for it, so you can buy it together.
Okay, what is the recommended or standard approach which customers relevant search results can be returned?
I mean, the recommended approach is like we need to go step by step, right? Just integrate with the search engine, provide the basic analytics data, then you can keep on adding to it on top of it, whatever you need.
Okay, what are the means what are the key challenges or what are the key lagging features in our e-commerce solar engines actually basically? Nowadays, I think solar is lagging of this AI related as well as customer segmented related things. So, do you feel that is what creating solar lagging in the search field?
I think the important part is Solar is not able to capture the analytical data of the user, right? There is no
Mm.
integration between OOTB integration between Solar to the Google Analytics, right? Either it cannot able to capture the analytical data or events what customer is going through.
Mm.
That is a missing part for Solar, right? And so Solar is not able to provide results based on the user experience.
Okay.
And the dashboard of Solar is not business friendly, right? So if you look at the other dashboards like Bloomreach or Covio, where you can go and sort the facades, you can go and boost the product. They have a very good administration console where you can put the marketing content spot easily. You can try to add a banner or something, right? So all this, the features that is being provided by all the latest search engines, Solar is missing those features actually.
Yeah. Sheikh, so when you're talking about that administration console, I was reminded that you have implemented the content search from the Solar also, this for the Bloomreach using, correct, in your one of your project. So how was that helpful here for solving?
Yeah, so when we for in our project, I mean, we were using some specific content table where, like example, article or something and manuals, right? We have a feature called articles and manuals. So these specific content uh, we have indexed in the Bloomreach as a content search, right? So Bloomreach has two types of product. One is product catalog and then is a content catalog, right? So we can index these data, whatever custom data you have, either it's manuals, articles, or any X number of data, what you have, content related data, we can send those in the content search catalog. And we can use the content search API to return it and show it in the front end.
Okay. So basically, so what we are discussing is, so when we use the external search engines, so we can just improve a lot of customer facing challenges nowadays, that, and we can resolve the customer challenges as well. Thanks you all. Thanks for your time. Thank you.
Thank you.